All right, kind of scary part. Already got 3 of the bolts in. Just got some wood in between this crossbar and the kayak for when you drill through that second side. First side of the bar. Second side of the bar. And a long bolt, washer up top, regular washer, and a lock washer underneath. And the nuts. Get it started. And just 18 foot-pounds on these, as you're not going to go crazy strong. You're not trying to crush the bar. Make sure your lock washers are flat. That one needs to go a touch more. Cool.